Hot summer days and nights just got cooler. From backyard to beach, lake to tailgate, camping to crazy festivals, Johnny brings the party anywhere. Johnny's been designed with love, and it shows. He cares about you and the planet. Some of his cool features: making refreshing smoothies and cool cocktails with his powerful 2-speed blender. Johnny's solar panel keeps him throughout charged by renewable energy while everybody is chilling in the sun. Never miss a call from a friend to join the fun. Use the integrated USB connection for charging all your mobile devices. And what would be a party without music? Johnny's detachable Bluetooth speaker is prime quality and can be paired with other speakers. His own pop-up, clip-on sunshield is easy to attach and store. It keeps everything extra chill, and much more. Maybe Johnny Cool can't save the world, but he can make it a little greener. He is about cool design and quality that is sustainable and has a low carbon footprint. Johnny is made from recycled material and organic plastic. Johnny comes in a wide range of stylish colors. Made in Germany, outstanding quality and built to last a lifetime. That's why we offer a special lifetime guarantee to all supporters.
The next time you go camping in the woods or at a music festival, wrap up and relax in the Cozy Kelty Revival sleeping bag. With fun patterns and thoughtful features, the Revival puts a new spin on the old classic rectangular sleeping bag. The Cloud-Off insulation provides dependable, long-lasting loft, and the super soft liner feels like a warm hug. On the outside, the 100% cotton canvas shell ensures this Kelty-built bag will stand the test of time. Forget about restless nights waking up too hot or too cold. Simply pull back the top layer if you get too steamy and stay covered with the built-in torso blanket. The adjustable pocket locks your pillow in place, and you can slip your arms through for a more comfortable night's sleep. Rated for 15 and 40 degrees, the Revival is the ultimate grab-and-go bag, built to wander with you.
So, I'm Martin. Me and my friends love to travel, explore, and get to remote places where relaxing is hard most of the time. That's why we spent several months experimenting and perfecting the design of our new product until we got it just right. We believe it will completely change the way people relax worldwide. Let us introduce the Kaiser Original. Unlike those heavy, bulky fold-up chairs, the Kaiser is extremely comfortable, a snap to set up and use, and folds up in a small, lightweight bag so it's super easy to carry. Since the Kaiser is so strong and durable, you'll be able to relax at all sorts of places, even rough terrain. It's great for those long hiking trips, hanging out at the beach or the park, to sunbathe in your backyard, and of course, at your favorite outdoor festival. Also, if you enjoy meeting interesting new people, you'll love Kaiser because it's a magnetic conversation starter. Kaiser will truly make you feel like a king. The Kaiser is made with the strongest, super lightweight parachute fabric. It has a stretch pocket on the side, so you don't have to put your drink on the ground. And on the other side, there's a double pocket, so you can conveniently store all of your books, e-reader, and phone. We've also included a small loop to securely stake your Kaiser to the ground. And of course, it comes equipped with a bottle opener for those relaxing barbecues in the summertime. And it even floats on water, so you can even use it to chill in the pool.
This is the Freescape Hatchet. With a forged steel head for efficient chopping, you can create kindling for the fire, pound intense steaks, or build a primitive shelter. The innovative sheath is quick to remove and stores right in the handle. Its bright green color makes the hatchet easy to spot around the campsite. The hatchet's hardened blade features a low-friction surface so it slices through wood with minimal effort. The rigid composite handle is extremely durable and grippy to ensure the hatchet stays firmly in hand even in freezing, wet conditions. A versatile and essential item for every camper. This is the Freescape Hatchet.
The collection of insect armor tents and sunshades with Expel technology do just that, arm you from insects. There is an odorless and invisible coating on these tents that help deter those creepy crawly flying bugs from coming into your space. The coating is impregnated into the fabric so the protection is available wherever you pitch your tent. Enjoy a bug-free zone while you kick back and enjoy your time in the outdoors.
We are GoSun, and we believe the sun can and will power the future. Solar power technology has become more popular and affordable than ever, but we're still burning fuel to cook. It's time to upgrade your kitchen with the GoSun Fusion. More than a solar oven, the Fusion stands on its own as a complete cooking solution. It's portable, yet large enough to feed a family, and can even cook with the sun at night thanks to an integrated electric heating element that cooks using a fraction of the energy of other electric stoves. It uses about the same power as your computer, but cooks a full meal for 5 in under an hour. If you don't have sunshine, all it takes is the push of a button to activate the 150-watt heater. With the optional lithium-ion power bank, you can easily carry enough energy to cook a meal anytime, anywhere. With the solar PV upgrade, the electricity used to charge the power bank can be made from the sun, so you're cooking on sunshine day or night. Safe to touch, even when cooking above 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the GoSun Fusion can bake, boil, or fry many dishes in as little as 20 minutes.
The GoSun Fusion is a deliberate evolution of our original stoves. Durable and reliable, bringing together the best of solar and electric heating into an experience we believe is totally game-changing.
GoSun has been making waves in outdoor cooking thanks to breakthrough vacuum-insulated technology. You won't go hungry, and you're never out of gas. Our stoves are being used by more than 25,000 happy customers. We've created a full lineup of solar ovens, large and small, but everyone has been asking for a larger oven with the ability to cook at night. After 4 years of development, it's finally here. We're excited to introduce our hybrid Fusion here on Kickstarter, where GoSun began with the help of this community. GoSun Fusion lets you do the cooking at a fraction of the power and a fraction of the fuss, giving you the freedom to do the things you love, to feed those you care for, and to cook off-grid without gas. GoSun welcomes you to the fuel-free frontier.
For decades, MSR's Dromedary and Drom Light hydration bags have provided serious adventurers with reliable water on demand. Now, the bag's updated designs only improve these collapsible and time-tested water haulers. The Dromedary bag is still our burliest solution for collapsible backcountry water storage, built of abrasion-resistant 1000 denier fabric. Engineered to endure the abuse of expedition crews, it can handle everything from boiling water to freezing. Its heavy-duty exterior is now hydrophobic to keep it from soaking up extra water weight, and inside, an improved food-grade lining offers better-tasting water. The new lower-profile 3-in-1 cap lets you fill, drink, and pour with greater ease, and streamlined webbing with new grommet locations improve pack attachment and hanging. For fast and light travel and general trips into the backcountry, our new Drom Light bags refine ultralight, ultra-compact water hauling. Reconstructed of a lightweight, durable film, these bags deliver high-capacity water storage, yet fold down to the size of their cap. This supreme packability comes with the weight savings to match, keeping you moving efficiently on the trail. Like its burlier sibling, the Drom Light bag features rugged RF-welded seams and the low-profile 3-in-1 cap. The new Dromedary and Drom Light bags are now designed to each answer a particular need. Whether you're on an alpine-style expedition or a fast-paced thru hike, our water storage bags keep life's most vital resource reliably at your fingertips.